G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. I am on Lady Talbot Drive just out of Marysville, Victoria, Australia. It is absolutely beautiful this morning. It is very cold. It was 3 degrees when I left home. Hopefully this road is open and I'll make it to Kepple Hut today. This is the Taggart River and it is stunning. Let's go have a better look at it. I'm going to attempt again to get to Kepple Hut. I was up here 6 days ago. I was up the other end of this road. They were doing road works on it and they said they hope to have it finished by Wednesday, so it looks like they have. I'm pretty sure I'm past where it normally gets closed. This road's been closed for maybe 3 years. I think they had a lot of damage after a storm. It does get closed off for winter, so it's not going to be open for long. We're end of April now. I'm sure I've come far enough now, but it's a part of my brain that thinks I'm going to come across a road closed gate soon. Have a look at that. Wow, falls just there. There we go. What have we got here? Road closed ahead. Bloody hell. Traffic hazard. Oh man. Oh, I had my hopes up. Oh dear. Yeah, look at that. New pavement. Hazardous falling trees work in progress. Righto, change of plans. So Lady Talbot was closed. It was open just long enough to get my hopes up, but it was still a really nice ride. The Taggart River's beautiful. Very nice spot. Yeah, so this is Water Race Track. We'll follow it through to Yellow Dog Road. Yeah, that's slippery. So we don't go too fast because you lose the front end very easily in this stuff. It's very hard packed red clay. So we're off camber, so I'm going to go in that rut. Oh, just I wanted to stop to explain something. I'd need both hands. Yeah, I always avoid riding on anything like that. I'll look for ruts or anything wedged. I'll stick my tyre in the middle. That way you don't slide out. That's the theory anyway. What have we got on the other end of this big mud pit? Yeah, we're going down into that. So we've had some fallen trees through here. What's this like? We've got get into first. This is steep. Oh, resist the urge to jump off that. It land in hard packed clay, it's not going to go well, is it? We'll go over here. I'll take my chances with the rut rather than the slippery grass. Oh, fucking hell. I have to sit down for this one. Oh, it goes into a rut, doesn't it? I might cross over here where I can. And we'll go into that one. Lovely. I lowered my foot pegs recently and it just feels so much better. I feel like I've got a lot more control. There we go, that's it. It's only a pretty short one. Righto, let's enjoy a bit of dry, non-slippery track for a bit. Road closed. Okay, that's better than the full road closed, I guess. Pfeiffer Falls, not the biggest waterfall I've ever seen, but it is pretty. Audio. Olsen Road, oh yeah, Olsen Road that way, Yellow Dog Road this way. No, too slippery for that. No. We're looking alright. A few puddles. We're just going to go straight through those. Oh, that one was deep. We might go over this side. Yep, that's it. Cool ads. Nothing coming. That's it, time to hammer the shit out of it. There's a track down here I'll have a quick look at. I don't know if it's doable or not. Yeah, there's a little clearing there. Marysville Woods Point Road's just there. That's it there. Do we think that's doable? Righto, so I'm going to head for the Sena. At that bend, go to the left, far left, and then just have to make it up after that. What am I doing over here? Going in. Can I get moving? Probably not, bloody hell. Fair way up too. I need to just keep hammering it. Knew I was coming over here. Try and get a bit of weight on that wheel. No, I'm a bit not in the best spot there, am I? What do? Do I go back to that little flat? It's a long way back. think I would have been better off just sticking with that Sena. Yeah, it was a bit slipperier than I thought over the side. I've got a little harrow, I'm going to have to go back a bit. Dug myself a hole. We'll go right back. Fuck. Exactly where I want to go, but it's not the end of the world, is it? Do I go back to that left or just stick with the middle? Ah, I smell eucalyptus. Big rock right in front of me. Righto, let's go. Oh, don't go back in there. Fuck it. That's it, stay in the middle. Come on. That's it, now I can get on my feet. Oh man. Don't know if I want to be in those ruts or not. Another hill coming up. Oh, it's a big one too. What do we do? Rocky at the end. I'm thinking over there. Yeah, we'll get over there. Hopefully there's enough traction. Get some speed up. Oh. Beautiful. Oh man, I think I've got a massive hill coming up. Holy crap. Yeah, righto. It splits. I don't know what that side's doing. That side's uphill and grass. Do I get my momentum up and just go for it? Don't really see any other option. Come on, let's go. Oh. Yeah, the grass is slippery. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. Let's go. See if we can do it in second. Oh mate, that wasn't that bad. It's hard to tell until you get up closer. I didn't want to roll down the bottom and go nah, too steep and turn around and try and get up the hill again. Awesome, back on the main track. This is another one of those Animal Crossings. That's the second one I've seen. They look new. Seems to be a strange place to put them. These roads are actually used by Melbourne Water, so I guess there's a lot of trucks coming up and down here. You don't want to run over a little possum, do you? I just want to find somewhere I can sit down and make some lunch. Soup and coffee today. Here it is. Righto, time to hit the road, head back home again. Been an awesome day out, really nice weather. Did some cool tracks. What the fuck's going on there? Alrighty, that was harder than it needed to be. Beautiful. Rightio, time to head home. This is the Akron Way. This is another road that's been closed for a long time. Going that way goes back to Mount Donabuang and Warburton. Yeah, I think there was some big landslips that way. But hopefully, I think we're right this way. Look at that. This is a great road. Turns to dirt the other way. All pretty flat, gets a bit muddy in winter, but otherwise it's quite a nice ride. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the ride along today. It's been a fantastic day, beautiful weather, did some awesome tracks. Unfortunately that bloody Lady Talbot Drive is still closed. We'll try again in a couple of weeks. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.